welcome to another video. And this time it will be this light. Whatever this light is, it will be that. Now let's mute the music. I have a light on the dash. From the thumbnail you have seen what's the problem, and from the title down below you know it. I don't know. So let's go together, get the scan tool, and let's check together. Let's check it what it is, because right now the light appeared like just now. So let's go check out what do we have there. So let's go, let's see. Nope, let's see. Come with me and you see all the OSHA violations. Okay, somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here, right here. There you go. There you go. Let's check. Okay, that's because low battery, powertrain control module, this one. Let's go. So, O2 sensor circuit, no activity detected, bank 1, sensor 1. So the first sensor, O2 sensor. Okay. Well, I'm glad I arrived here. So let's bring the car in.
Six and a half hours later.
Let's start with the tools. This is the O2 sensor. I know it looks different. Hold up. Before you scream, shout or do anything else. You can see the pin layout. 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top, and the middle is empty. So that's for my car. I know there should be some metal here. And I received this kind of tool. Do not waste time with this tool. Get this kind of socket. It's meant specially for this. It's meant specially for such places, and it's up high. You have 3/8 or the normal one, and if you need, this is 22 mil or 24 mil. First things first, before you do anything with unplugging any stuff or anything, anytime you unplug, remove from the battery so then the plug which goes from right there, see my finger is, if we follow this plug right here, right here, this is the plug. And you can literally push down here at the very end, push, and you pull the other side. See, it comes out just like that. And then you get an how it's called, the pliers, and you push at the back. It has the pins. Now get these pliers And at the back, right here, you can see it. Push it inwards and it comes off, see? This is behind there. Now we need to sneak this behind. There is a zip tie right here. If you can see, right there is a zip tie. That white thing, this white thing right there. You see this? This is what's holding it. So let's try to... Yep, it came out. Now we need to sneak behind these hoses. So right here is one, and then that thing right there, there's a hole. So this, and then this white stuff. So now we need to sneak all of that away. And there is another one. Here's another one. Okay, it broke. There's nothing I could have done. And now we push down on the metal tab. We need to push down, pull the cable out. That's it, done. Now the cable is free to move. So you push this downwards. You can, or you can't. Basically you have to pull it through. Yep, you come up. You are coming up to big thing. Make space for us. Because this plug is big. Big plug. There you go. 7/8. 22 mil. So this is a O2 sensor socket. It sells in almost every part shop. And you basically what you do is put it on. And I'm using a breaker bar basically, because the breaker bar will go on top. As you can see, I don't have much space. Then you I'm gonna smack you. I think I'm gonna smack you because it's really tight. And obviously it's an O2 sensor. I bet it's been there for quite an age. And I got the feeling it's never been changed. Oh. Ooh. Did you see that? Did you hear that, how it cracked? Oh boy. Without this socket, I would have never done it. Now we can just unspin it. Ta-da! Now how about let's compare. Even the colors are the same. Look at that. The colors are the same. We can transfer this. See? Transfer this. The length is a little bit longer, just a little bit. See? It's just a little bit longer. How to get this off is pretty wild. You basically have to push a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver under. And you have to lift it up side by side and push. There you go. It came out. See? Basically it just slides in from the back and in. Let's put it into the new one. There you go. It's past these. See, it's past the lip like it was here. So that's done. I decided I'm not putting this on, just for the sake of not fucking things up. I'll try this way. If there will be a leak, then I'll just change it. So let's try. as we don't have this one and this, I think I'll just zip tie it to this one. As the kit didn't came properly, I'll just try to zip tie it to this so it doesn't move. And these zip ties came in the package. And of course, after plugged everything in, tighten everything what's there. Don't forget to tighten the battery. Put the battery terminals on, tighten them, and then we go start the car and check there if there isn't any blow by. Now let's double check our work. This is there. Sorry, this is there and tightened. It rolls against here. It's zip tied right here for now because I need those special zip ties. It's plugged in here. Battery connected. This is back in, back in, back in. We didn't unplug this, we didn't unplug that. The light on the dashboard is gone. I don't feel any blow by, so the engine light is gone. We will plug in the scan tool once we roll back in the workshop. Lovely. Now let's plug in our trusty scan tool and see. Okay, monitoring, remote key access. Okay, so the battery has been removed. So this all is because of the battery has been removed. So, but as you can see, there is no more. Which one was it? Powertrain module. Nothing. So let's clear all of these. Let's see what comes back. There you go. Battery was removed. You saw flashing everything else. You can see all the system is perfectly fine. Done. Job done. And that's it. That's how you change the oxygen O2 sensor. Bank 1. Next video will be bank 2, because if you change oxygen sensors, you change it in pairs. Like the anti-roll bars, you change both sides, you don't change only one. See you next one. Bye bye.